of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of race and it can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages.
That's in our thou.
The emergency alert system. Broadcasters in alert system. Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
All right, good role player. Walker Kessler up.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
All right, they're on KHTK.
30 seconds or so. Anyways, point I was making.
They just talked about it.